Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Homemade Living. Today I'm going to show you another YouTube tutorial on how to create an account for a translation website that allows you to work from the comfort of your home and make money anywhere in the world. Today's website is called Go Transparent, which is for translators, freelance translators who can do translation work anywhere in the world. All languages are available on this website. All you have to do is to create an account if you don't have one already. First of all, go to the page, to the website. The page looks like this. And if you have an account already, you just log in, put your details, and go straight to your profile. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. You click on Join Us, and then it will take you to another page, which requires some details about you as a translator, like your name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your CV, because this platform requires some experiences. They need to know that you already know some languages, so make sure you have a CV that includes all the languages that you speak and the skills that you have, so they will approve you as a translator on their platform. After you submit all this information, they will email you about some extra information like your rates, languages that you speak, other projects that you worked on as a translator, if you have any translation experience, and so on. The good thing about this platform is they don't require any video, no introduction in the video form, so it's not that, you know, difficult to register as a translator with them. Once you are approved, your profile is going to look like this. This is my profile on this website. It looks very professional. Here it shows you all your details, and it shows also all the rates, how much you charge for the services you're offering: translation, revision, transcription. Okay, so it's you who defines how much you get paid per tasks. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple, very straightforward. All you need to do is to create your account and wait for the approval. Once you are approved, you are already a translator on this website and you are ready to make some money from the comfort of your home. They don't have lots of projects all the time, but they have work. They have work available for translators, for freelance translators. So if you are looking for some side hustle, this could be a good choice for you. Good luck guys, and if you have any questions or you need any assistance with the registration, just drop a comment and I will be happy to help you. Don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you in another tutorial about another website. So let's make some money anywhere in the world. Take care guys, see you next.